We support our small and medium-sized companies in a concept called small business that we have. This concept contains of the one-to-one support, contains of the possibility to get a mentor. They give also some free ride of events and some kind of courses possibilities, and also some projects, some funding according to support from advisors. So that's what we are doing in our region. We are giving the project, also the company that we have in our project, support and advice according to the aim of the projects, and give them the experience that we have from our former food house, the Norges Marsk Kort, of the experience from the food area, and also the connection and the network that we have belong the other partners and companies that work with food. I guess we are doing it through the partnership that we have. It's the amount of partners that we have in the Baltic Sea, the network that we are establish, and also the new coming up bio and digital hub could also be a huge and an important part in our projects. It was meant, or it is also the aim to help our eBio business company of doing a quick launching and testing or for the problem that they have according to the product that they are. The structure is that we are first contact our companies. We contact them with this self-assessment tool that we have created. They respond on this incident with this question, and after that, there will be produced a CV, a business wheel that actually make a kind of mapping of their content, and also a roadmap of what they need, what kind of skills that they need to be to have the maturity that they need to have to go along and to launch. And after that, we also go into a more close interview, one-to-one with them, to give them a more supported roadmap, a more detailed roadmap, and also go into the conversation with them with the testing aim, so we can give them a good support for feedback from the hubs, and also give them a feedback of what needs to be done for launching. The benefit for the companies will be that actually somehow the same as the BSO, but they will also have an overview, that they get a picture of how ready they are for launching, how ready the company are in the process of going further of the maturity, and also give them some help through the BSO, getting some feedback of the problem that they have according to the digital view, or the bio perspective. Yeah, I guess there will be development in the future. I guess it could be that artificial intelligence should be a part of it to give the company and also the BSO some support with the technology that is coming on, and I guess that would be a smart way of get some extra supporting, either that we have the BSO can also get some extra support of the feedback to the company with using the artificial intelligence in the future. So I guess if we can build something with the artificial intelligence into the methodology, it could also come along and be a next step to give a more value feedback to the company. Yeah, as I say, it's a very important part of the project that we get these hubs settled down. It's where the experts are sitting, some of them at least, and I see them give some kind of value, of big value for the company when it comes to the problem that they have sitting with in the testing phases and period. So for me, it's very grateful and very important part of the project that we have these hubs and we get a good feedback and have a good dialogue with the people in the hub. Mm-hmm. Yeah, the methodology one could be scalable, if you call it that way. See more, yeah, if this is the question, see more in the second solution that will also be possible to scale it, but we have to be aware of the hubs getting enough resources to supply on all the questions they get, so there will not be too much delay in this part of the second methodology. That's where I see the biggest issue. I see because of the amount of partners and also the partners are spread out of the whole Baltic Sea, it could give a good room for feedback, also to the company, also the company who would like to export the goods to get a kind of more international point of view and feedback from the whole part of the region. So I guess that would be one of the most valuable parts of for the company as well, when it comes to the solution of the international perspective and value.